Hello, my name is Mausam Jha and I'm pursuing B.Tech in Computer Science Engineering. My personal experience in L&T has been really incredible. I personally like the course curriculum, the structure, and how we always used to have a daily test. Whatever we learned on daily basis, we used to have a comprehensive test on daily basis. Whatever we had, whatever doubts we used to have, we could have been cleared in our doubt sessions. It used to be online as well. Online doubt sessions were organized for us for our comfort and preferences, and my experience has been really very nice. We have been trained on multiple topics, multiple placement related topics, for example DSA, soft skills, aptitude, and many more. My personal experience in soft skills has been really very nice. I came to know about many specific points which you usually don't get to hear about anywhere, and certain points that you should always make sure whenever you're in an interview. So my personal experience with all the trainers in every phase has been really very nice. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm Shivani Khare from B.Tech CSE third year, and we have been going through with the L&T training, and it has been really good. We have been taught various things accordingly related to our domains, also for personal grooming and stuff like aptitude and the soft skills, the technical skills, everything. It's quite really helpful for the placements. It just depends of how really well we catch it and how we are going to indulge it in our future for our career prospects. So that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Abhishek of B.Tech CSE 21-25 batch, and if you ask me about my experience in L&T, it was very insightful and educational, and I can see it's going to be a great help in my placements.
So आपको training content कैसा लगा? क्या वो relevant और engaging था?
Yes ma'am, the training content was very interesting, and the fact that I was planning to study some topics by myself, and L&T was good enough to provide me those topics and include those topics in the curriculum. So it was really beneficial for me.